Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an amazing tool for developers, ZEGOCLOUD. ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider that offers developer-friendly and powerful SDK and APIs. With these tools, you can build essential communication features like video call, voice call, live streaming, in-app chat, and so much more. And one of the reasons I love ZegoCloud is its ease of use and flexibility. Whether you are working on a simple project or a complex app, these tools help streamline your development process. Imagine being able to integrate high quality communication and you are not alone on your journey to success. High quality communication features into your app with minimal effort. Zero Clouds make that possible. And few lines of code in Android, in iOS, in web, in Flutter, in React Native, in Windows, in Mac, in Electron. So let's explore how we can use it to build a video conferencing app step by step. Now let's dive into one of ZeroCloud standout offerings, their UI kits for video conferencing. UI kits are like ready-made building blocks. They let you create video conferencing app without having to write every single line of code from scratch. You get pre-built components, they are fully customizable and optimized for professional use. And 20 plus UI kits open source, 50 plus components cross-platform ready to use. Let's take a closer look at the UI kits page. As you can see, these kits come with features like participant management, screen sharing, real-time messaging, and more. Plus, they are designed to be lightweight and efficient. With ZegoCloud UI kits, you are not just saving time, you are also ensuring a consistent, high-quality user experience. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. And test a live video call. In this demo, we will show you how our pre-built video call kits work. You can start a call and invite others to join. Getting started with Zero Cloud is as easy as it gets. Let's go through the registration process. First, you visit the Zero Cloud website and click on the sign up. You click the sign up and enter your details, and within minutes, you'll have your account set up. You already have an account, so you click on login. Here's the exciting part. When you sign up, you receive 10,000 free minutes. This is perfect for testing and building your apps without worrying about initial cost. Once registered, you will gain access to the ZeroCloud Developer Console. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can create projects, manage your app settings, and access your app ID and app sign. These credentials are essentials for integrating ZeroCloud's tool into your app. And this is quick integration, few lines of code within 30 minutes. And all thing is required. First name, last name, country, work email, and verification code and password. Now start your free trial. Alright, it's time to build our video conference app using ZegoCloud Video Conferencing Kit. Alright, now I write command flutter at Zego UI Kits pre-built call. Its command is already run it. Step number 1. Start by creating a new Flutter project in your IDE. Set up your project structure and ensure everything is ready. My project is completely done. Now integrate the ZEGOCLOUD video conferencing kit. The documentation on their website provides clear step-by-step guidance. And don't worry, this process is straightforward and it'll walk you through it step by step. I write title Flutter demo, home, and I also scaffold, Flutter hot running, app bar, title, Zego Cloud, Zego Cloud call, background color, colors blue, I write one, safe area, and wrap up safe area, body, um, icons, button, on pressed, icons, and call, icons dot call. Now create call screen. Going to live folder and click new file. Call screen dot and copy. Import package flutter material dot Zero UI kit pre-built call and also video call. Now secure app ID and app sign. I saved my app ID and app sign global underscore variable dot. Alright. Call ID is 1. Once I show one-on-one voice call and the next one-on-one video call. If you are using auth, then it's come from backend and you will use your auth ID here. For now we are using testing IDs. Now call here, call screen. On tab, navigator dot push, contacts, material page route, builder, context, on nut, context, and call screen. Our app is ready. Let's take it for a spin. Now test your first call and click the call icon. Call is starting. I mute this call and I also cut this call. Try video call and I added on config Zego UIKits pre-built call config one-on-one video call. Now start the video call. Here is my hand and here is my thumb. It's clean, modern and easy to navigate. Let's join a meeting to test the functionality. I mute the video call and I also cut this. As you can see, the apps run smoothly and the video quality is excellent. This is all thanks to ZeoCloud's robust and reliable SDKs. In the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. ZeoCloud truly makes it easy for developer to create high quality communication apps. If you are a developer looking for a reliable and powerful tools, I highly recommend it checking out ZeoCloud. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. If you found this video helpful, if you have any question, feel free to ask. I'd love to help.